activity these guys might be doing?
Windsurfing.
Oh, yes. Windsurfing.
God. Wow. I can't wait to get on the water. This is great.
Oh my God, the wind is so loud!
It's getting easy though, isn't it? It's dying down, isn't it?
I can actually stand on the board now. It's dying down.
Okay.
Oh my God!
Get off that bloody seesaw! Jesus, who's this that put that playground in on the beach? Bad idea.
Listen, was it okay to leave the crying baby on the beach? Oh, I don't care. It's my day off.
I'll be honest, that baby sounds like the Joker to me, so I don't want anywhere near the beach. You stay where you are, baby. You stay where you are.
Okay.
All right, now just come into the centre, all right? You've got a great form there.
Okay.
Oh, God, I can hear your knees popping.
Oh, can you hear that? Oh. I am ever so old. I'm at least 75.
At least.
At least.
All right. Okay, well, first of all, your stance is great. We're going to get you into your scuba suit. It's a bit moist, obviously, so we'll just get this on.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Pull it on.
Oh, it's very sticky. Oh,
It's because it's covered with sellotape for some reason. Just get all that tape, we don't need that. I'll get mine on as well. I got the yodeling one. Would you sit me up? Would you mind?
hang on.
Ooh.
Oh, snug. You're very trim, aren't you?
Yes, well, I got the yodeling one with the French zip. Let's see what nationality yours is. Here we go. Hoi! That is precision engineering right there.
It's German, isn't it?
Could well be.
Now, okay.
Wait, look. A majestic school of whales out on the ocean.
Dolphins, I think.
Oh God, one of them's the police! The police are here!
It's like they're talking to us, isn't it? It's like they're trying to tell us something.
Yes, perhaps if we take a moment and listen, we could hear their majestic sounds. What are they saying to us?
Oi, 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 give me your money, give me your money, give me your money.
Oh, they're a bit aggressive, aren't they?
Cockney whales! Set off back down south! We're having a lesson here, alright. I think you're ready, okay?
Okay. I'm gonna go for it, okay?
Alright.
Okay. Oh, that wind's picking up again, isn't it?
It is, alright. There it goes, it's getting louder. I tell you what, I'm going to get on my jet ski to keep you company, alright?
Okay.
Oh, it's not in the water yet! It's not in the water yet! Alright, I'm going to push it into the water.
I'm falling in!
I'm coming!
Splash.
Help! I can't swim!
Alright, I'll come across you.
Bloop, 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 bloop.
I'll throw you the orange. Oh, I'll just turn that tap off. Quick, grab the orange thing from Baywatch. And I'm going to run. I'm going to swim towards you.
Da, 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 da.